Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, I am Nisha and I want to say welcome to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy today's content. We are here for the last and final look of throwback week where I come back and recreate one of my older looks. So this is it, like it's the grand finale. But I'm gonna keep doing this again. Y'all know that this was so much fun. So the last look, this was hard. This was a topper one, but I really loved this look so much. It got a lot of compliments, a lot of likes, stuff like that, and it was a requested look. So this is a green and orange look. So I'm gonna pop it up here. As you can see, it's more green than orange. So I definitely want to add more orange into this look this time around and definitely just revamp it. This look was just everything. But my question is, why did I wear an orange shirt with green makeup? Maybe I was trying to bring that orange out in the crease. I don't know. But I'm going to be using Hank & Henry. I'm going to be using the tie-dye palette. And then we're going to go from there. Because I believe I used my Costa Scent 88 matte palette. And I thought I still had it because I was like, this is like an old school like collector palette. But I can't find it. And plus I'm rushing. I gotta be at work in like an hour and 30 minutes, so we're gonna hurry up and do this tutorial. So if it seems like I'm rushing, I am rushing. So let's zoom in and get straight to this tutorial. And then I ran out of my eyebrow products, so my eyebrows look different. I'm using a product I haven't used in a while, so I hope they look good. Okay, anywho, gonna go ahead with my Juvia Eye Prime, and I'm gonna put this all over the lid. So our main colors is green, black, and orange. And of course some glitter. Y'all knew I was gonna do glitter in this throwback week. It's a little bit of glitter, but I think we're gonna make it even more glitterified. All right, so right now I'm just grabbing a random beigey nude color, and I'm gonna just put this right underneath my brow bone to set it. And also this is going to be the highlight of today's look. And it's not in the Hank & Henry palette. I just grabbed a random nude color from a random palette that's right here on my desk. Taking, like I said, the Hank & Henry palette, and I think I'm gonna go in with this orange right here. I was debating if I was gonna mix these two together, but I think I'm gonna stick with this one. Buff it right in my crease. Oh, that's so pretty. Y'all see that? Oh, that's so pretty. I think this is my first time using the orange in my crease from this palette. And she's a really pretty orange. So I'm just taking that color and I'm just going to go back and forth and blend it in my crease. And I really want this orange to be very vibrant compared to what it was in that video, because I didn't really have a good orange in that palette. So I am making sure that I am overdoing it with the orange for today. And I hope this comes out right, because I'm like, And then I'm going to take a random blending brush and just make sure that the colors are blended. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the green. I was debating if I was going to make this into a cut crease, but being that I didn't add that many colors, I'm over here really thinking. I'm thinking. Okay, we're going to do a half cut crease. Okay, so this is where I feel like I'm going to revamp it just a little bit. I want to add a little bit more definition in my crease. So I'm going to go in with that color that's next to the first color that I used. And we're just going to put that in the crease here. Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it definitely did deepen up my crease and I like it. I don't think the lighting is like showing you guys what it looks like, but I feel like this is like the quickest I've been like doing my makeup. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna make this into a semi-cut crease. So I'm gonna take my makeup remover and a Q-tip, and then we're gonna do a slight, quick cut crease. Then I'm going to take the dry side, make sure I get the remover off. Make sure you get the remover off. So the crease is cut. And I went in with a little bit of Glam Light icing as well in the shade Caramel. I kind of like these two combined together. So that's what we got going on. So now we're going to move on. We're going to add the green. And I'm pretty much going to put this all over the lid area. All right, so this is what we got going on. It's looking very bright. All right, so now for the last color, I'm gonna go ahead and take the black. And I'm gonna do a little at a time with this color because definitely don't want to mess this look up. So I'm just sweeping it in the crease part. And I'm like dragging it and flicking it into the colors. So depending on how dark you want it, I think I'm going pretty light with this, like it's coming off like a really dark brown. But I think I want to keep it that way. I don't want to make it too harsh because I feel like it's not going to go. So I'm going to continue blending this off camera. I'm going to do my liner and then the rest of my face. Then we'll come back and jump in and do whatever else that needs to be done to the eyes. This is halfway done. I'm going to do the same steps that I did to the top down to the bottom when it comes towards the green and the black eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with the lime green first. And I'm just going to pat her all the way down. All right, now the same thing with the black. Be honest right now, I am not liking how it's turning out, and it's not the orange, it's not the black. I think is my choice of green. I feel like this green is too dark for this orange. I don't know what happened, because in the palette it looked like it would have appeared a little bit lighter than what's on my eyes. You see? So I thought it was gonna be a little bit more lighter. This is too dark from my opinion. So to save this look, we're about to do a lot of remixing right now as we speak. Remix. So I grabbed the BH Cosmetic Pistachio palette, which is the green monochromatic palette. We gonna see if we can fix this because she not happy with this. I'm not. It's like, it's too dark. It's too dark. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna see if I put that a little bit on top of that green that I already have on my lid. It's a difference in like lightening up just a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. Now, where you been? Where you been? I don't know if you guys can see the difference. It's making it a minty green in a sense, but I like it against this black now. So I'm not gonna go all the way fixing that green. I'm gonna leave some of that other green because I like how this is transitioning now. It's cool. Okay. Do the same thing to the bottom lash line. I definitely should have just went ahead and used this palette from the beginning, okay? Because it's like, it's beautiful, okay? And then for the inner, of course, gotta add a little inner pop. Wet my brush. And then, let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I was debating, no, let's try this one. Let's try this one. See if I can bring my inner pop back. Oh, that's it. This is it right here. Look at that. That made a difference just that fast. Really quick, I'm going to take a little bit of my glitter glue. I'm going to put that in my lower lash line because I'm going to add this green glitter. Oh my gosh, Karen, I want to focus. Green glitter. There we go. Green glitter. This is from I forgot where I got this from. I think this was off of eBay. Because I had this really, really prettier lime green color. But my kids got to it. Robert wasn't watching the kids. And they spilled all of it on the floor. It wasn't even savable. And he called himself trying to replace it. I was like, but that's not what I had. And then I tried to reorder from the actual place and it was discontinued. So I was a little heartbroken. So we're gonna give this one a try out and see if she does what she's supposed to do. And like I said, I'm gonna pop this on right on the lower lash line. And I believe in the video, I think I went all the way across with this green, if I'm not mistaken, with the glitter. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure that the glitter is nicely on with the glitter glue. And now going in with the glitter. I don't know. So I gotta zoom in so you guys can really see it, but this is freaking beautiful. I'm starting to feel a look now. Y'all see that glitter? Ooh. I'm gonna finish blending my eyes off camera. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lashes on like I said that I was gonna do but didn't do it. I'm gonna finish blending out my crease and everything and then come back with the rest of my face. Halfway done. This contour and highlight real quick. Like I didn't even set it yet, look. Girl. Shaboom. Alright, and then the lashes I have on are by the brand I Am Princess, which is now called 1216 Company, and everything is in the description box if you guys want to check them out, along with a coupon code for this in the style Ambition. So right now I'm just going to not do anything because my pencil's not even sharpened, but I'm going to sharpen my pencil really quick, and I'm going to go in with ColourPop, and this is in the shade BFF number 4. So I did a nice soft pink lip in the video. I'm gonna take Hank and Henry lipstick. This is in the shade Love You So Much. And it's a pretty pink color. Look at this. It's so like in your face pink. And these smell so good. Smell like a cupcake. And go back in with the lip liner. And then I'm gonna add some gloss, and this is a Hank and Henry gloss as well. I want my camera to focus on it. It's such a pretty, like, holographic glitter. I can't even describe it. It's so pretty, but watch when y'all see it. This one is called Your Mom. Love the name of it. Your Mom. Look at that. I got Your Mom on my lips. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead with my blush really quick. Your Mom is popping. And then for blush, we're gonna go... Oh, does this face look good right now? I don't want to go heavy with a blush. I like what's going on right here. I think I'm gonna go in with these two. Let's mix these two and see what we get. I'm gonna start off with her first and see what I like about this. Oh, I think I like this just how it is. I was gonna add bold, but now this is definitely like, this is, y'all, this I keep telling y'all, if y'all have not tried these blush palettes, they are everything. Oh my god, I was not expecting this blush to hit like this. I was not. Yeah, I'm not gonna add the other color. I like what we got going on. Okay, so let me set my face and I'm gonna come right back. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I even threw on a orange shirt just to go with the throwback video. I'm definitely going to change my shirt for work. It's gonna be a nice black one to go with all this because I feel like she crashing, but I don't know, it was something about that orange shirt that went somewhat with the look. So I was like, let me just grab an orange shirt anyway and just put it all together so we can get a good side by side of the looks together. Yes. But yeah, that is it. I like the look. I like that I took the time to revamp it and add more colors and stuff with it because I was not feeling it at first. I was like, what is going on? But yes, I like it. I like it. I feel like my cut crease is not really a cut crease anymore because, like I said, I didn't do that many definitions of different colors in the crease, and I feel like when I do that and just do like a cut crease off of like one color bit in my crease, I don't really see my eyes as a cut crease, but it's still blended. It's still good. Is she cute? Is she cute? And anywho, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this look as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for those who actually stuck around and watched all 7 days of throwback. Like, thank you so much for being there for each look and coming back and showing likes and comments, stuff like that. Thank you so much for doing that. But this ain't the end of it. I'm not gonna disappear again. I'm gonna go back to my regular schedule, which is Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys have an amazing day. Stay blessed. And I'll see you guys on my next upload.